Hey guys, this is Aldridge here, and today we are back with another banger video. I have to show you guys two shoes, but I'm gonna show you the other one. It was in a hurry. Hey guys, so a little update. We've sold these 3 pairs, and since I haven't showed you one of these pairs, so yeah, I've already sold the University Blues. So yeah, that goes to this guy. He bought 3 of the pairs here, so yeah, I'm gonna sell that to him. You guys have seen this. If you guys haven't seen my review on this, go check out this video. And yeah, I also have a video on these. These are from the box. It's really obvious. It's the Jordan 11 Jubilees. So yeah, these look really nice. Anyway, I'll probably get another J11 soon, probably. Finally, the last pair here. This, if you're following me on Instagram, you probably should have seen this. If not, go follow me there. This is a Nike Dunk, my first ever Nike Dunk win, and I got these. All right, let's put this here. These are Nike Dunk Syracuse. And look at those, these are my first dunk. As much as it's, similar to Jordan 1s, it's still a different shoe. It looks really cool. It has all leather uppers. Of course, all these panels here are all orange. It's a school inspired shoe. You get this orange outsole, but man, look at this. My first dunk win. April's been good to me. April raffles has been good to me. Yeah, you get orange laces. You don't get extra laces here. Dunk High Syracuse. It's already sold. You get a pull tab here as well. You don't get that on Jordan 1s. So I was inspired to get this shoe because of one of the series or one of the episodes that Complex created on YouTube. I believe the title of the video was Sneaker Origins, and this was part of the New York Sneaker Origins story. And if you haven't read the title, I don't know what else would give this away. But this, yes, it is the Air Max 90 Bacons. Oh my gosh, this got stuck. You have this foam pad here. So if you're a little new to the sneaker game, then you probably only know this because it was restocked, re-released. But if you're kind of old and an OG head, this was released back in the early 2000s, I guess, by Dave's Quality Meats. DQM. It is a boutique shop. It is not a meat store, but it is one of those, what do you call it? It's a themed store, basically. And they still sell clothes and shoes. And the artist, Dave, was reached out to by Nike, and he said, I can make an Air Max 90 look like bacon. And here it is, an Air Max 90 Bacon. I'm still starstruck that I got these. I didn't get this for retail. I got it a little above. If you guys don't know what a bacon looks like, then look at this thing. You get the meat, the red meat portion here. This is probably the little lighter fat or the uncooked bacon part. And the rest of the shoe is the fat, which is white or clear. Now, you get your stock brown laces here, but you also get pink laces and red laces if you want to spice things up. Now overall, most of these panels are made from a suede material of some sorts. The red portion feels like nubuck, but this cream portion here feels tightly knit suede, and it is beautiful. The swoosh, I believe, is leather. This pink swoosh is leather, and the rest of the panels are all leather, the toe box and this portion here. There's pink inside the air bubble, so yeah, that just adds a little more pop. And then for the outsole, they decided to go with a dark brown outsole, a rubber outsole, because well. It's easier to clean and it's still part of that overall look. It holds everything together. You know, it's nothing too much. And the cages here are also, the plastic cages here and at the heel tab are all plastic, or what do you call that, TPU. And you have the pink Nike Air logo at the back. Now there's some difference from what I see on pictures. There are some difference from the original release. Being the collab itself, this isn't particularly a Dave Quality Meats collab. For the original Air Max 90 Bacons, the tongue tab here actually says Dave's Quality Meat. And I believe like this white portion on toe box in here, and probably this one too, is a little darker cream. It's not as white as it's supposed to, as it's like right now. And that's just, you know, some small differences that I saw from the original version. I might keep it, but I might have to sell one of my personal shoes as well. So that's that. Should I keep it? I don't know, I just love shoes.